just going to pull it through these two, yarn over and pull it through. Now I'm not just going to go by with just one point. I'm going to add it 3. So this next one I'm going to insert my hook. See, here's the next one. Yarn over, pull it through both layers, the top and the bottom layer. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, and I like to pull the yarn from the first loop only, yarn over again. This is the single extended crochet stitch. This goes through the single crochet. Now 2 more times through the outside. Let me see. Okay, I got this side. Put it through the inner layer. Pull it through both. 2 loops, yarn over. First loop only, yarn over again, both loops. 1 through the second. Let me do that one more time. Okay, and that's it. That is my joining. See how it joins?